Alright, we are on the old school double top dollar on the quarters, hanging out for the Harris drawing. Oops. We gotta try again.
Now you're gonna wait till your turns come. Somebody's gonna wait. Sorry, man. I don't know how it works.
Guy angry hasn't got his hand pay yet. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. That's Vegas mapping the shit out of that. Fuck. Oh my god, I can't believe I just did that. Just fucking worried about other people. That's what you get. Oh, put me back in it. It's coming back. Alright, let's make this more exciting. We're gonna put that on $1.D9 for a minute. And we got it! Okay, let's not mess up this time. I'm retarded. Nope, we're gonna try again. I swear the new machines, the buttons are different. I could be wrong. I don't know. That's awful. Oh, nice! $80. Nice. Definitely a winner on that. Let's see if we can get pop back. Oh, it wants it. It's in the window. Oh, it's in the window again. Glare is bad. Oh, come on. Put a hundo in. Searching for another double top dollar. Give it 2 more spins. Take a little bit of profit out. Last spin. Oh. Alright, thanks for watching. Double top dollar. Shorty slots. Like, subscribe.